akwasi insia commander 6 kanu seniatia there's a person mama here charge no 100 days and also 120 days 120 days so no one year under 100 days 120
yeah social contract.
Oh, okay to be a judge should be judged by 120.
That is where the pendulum starts swinging. When a boss a boba is baku
but
okoyi at least okoyi power. The country is already bleeding. It was a doctor. I mean, unfortunately, my brother or a medical doctor. For a medical doctor and come back as on surgery.
On diagnosis.
The prayer is that you pray for life, you pray for good health. These are the two most important prayers. Will be also is be part of the table.
Let us develop the country.
Okay.
I said earlier on, we shouldn't live a life of only politics. Oh, you have to look. We share other countries' development. That's you go and you say, hey, within 5 years, this country has developed. Look at Rwanda. Look at Uganda. Countries are in Africa. We better say they are not our peers. But when you go on social media and they are showing these days, it's YouTubers here, or book all around countries. We hear Jamaica. The last time we call Jamaica, I think in the turn of the century. But this so-called Jamaica, it has totally changed. Most of the West Indies have totally changed. That is all. That is what Chris is leveraging on. Apart from that, the whole place is water. And archaeological the amount for all over the world. Miss Ghana, a country like Ghana, slave trade. We have got Asem. We've got a lot of people to come in. We are not leveraging on it. You see, I was
Yamefa, ya papa Joseph Adikoka Ekra NC, the former Greater Accra Regional Chairman, Edema NDC Amanyoko, a regular panel member of Big Dream. And no other question that Yanti Asem de. And he said, Bamu a day in Sanu, Abetu Ora Joseph Adikoka Eso. Papa, your madam refugee. You near money. Why a beer my mind? Why a beer ma Ghana football? Why a bid ma NDC Amanyoko? Bema beyebi. A yampara se one be in ya. Your madam refugee. Your madam refugee. Junior man. Fire kwakese confirm abusuya. Oyiroma. Enuanom namfofo adofo. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Professor Nana Jane Opokwajima. And this mumpeni for this for Ghana Football Association. Ghana di shenyina. Enene ya twabese. Ora Joseph Adikoka. Yabeka wododo. Yabeka your patriotism. Sana enime buon ma ompese be ya manyosem Ghana for beka wododo. Yabeka wo futupa. Yabeka wa kwanjire. Ni aka usu ehun so de amaye. Yamin fa crazy. Asem di kabre na adru sui.